Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video and another Subi install for the Subaru. So this past weekend, I meant to change this last Thursday, but the package didn't get here till later. But driving it to work, because I enjoy driving it. The radiator hose disconnected, this one right here, disconnected from the radiator, and lost all the antifreeze, all because of that radiator. That plastic part, I'll show you in a minute, broke off from right here where it connects. It literally just broke off in pieces, and then this thing came off. So it spilled antifreeze everywhere, all over the engine, all over the hood, all over the car. It was a mess. This shit is not good. It's not fun. Yeah, I don't like antifreeze. But anyways, yeah, so that happened. So right before I was gonna put it on, I was gonna do it today, which is Thursday, and I was just gonna wait a week. But things happen for a reason. But yeah, I guess it just wanted to be changed. So yeah, I already took out the old one. It's pretty dirty, pretty gnarly, all the leaves from like 8 years of driving this car, so it's pretty nasty right there. I'm gonna clean that up right there really quick. But yeah, so let me just show you guys the radiator and then what I'm replacing it with. All right guys, well, here is the stock radiator. As you can see, it's kinds of dirt and grime blocking everything. Yeah, and it was not overheating, but the temperatures were pretty high on the car, so I really needed to swap it out to this one. So I'm glad I'm doing that now, and I'm glad that I ordered it right at the right time, because I like driving the car. So yeah, so for now, oh yeah, let me show you. This part right here is what cracked. It broke, so you can see all these little pieces. Yeah, when they disconnected, all those pieces flew out all over the car. You can see all these pieces. I don't think it got in the engine. I hope not, but if it did, oh well, we'll get a new engine. But yeah, simple install. The only thing is it is pretty messy. So yeah, and then yeah, it's pretty cool. This thing is pretty old, 8 years old, so recommend you guys swap this out after a while of having it on the car. It's a simple install. And yeah, so the one I got is the KOYORAD aluminum one, and this thing is gonna be replacing that one. So yeah, let me just take it out of the box really quick, show you guys how it looks. Well, here it is, guys. KOYORAD radiator, fully aluminum. Yeah, comes in a nice satin silver. It's gonna look sick under the engine bay. All you gotta do is you reuse the cap here, and then reuse the fans, and then connect the hose here, and that's pretty much it. Right here you do have to put in the little plug that it comes with, one of these, and I'm pretty sure it's the smaller one, so it can fit the hose that goes in the car. But yeah, all I gotta do is transfer all this over there, and then yeah, well, look at the difference. Oh my god, this thing is, watch, let me take off these fans and then show you guys how thin the freaking old radiator is. Should have done this a long time ago, but it's good. Hopefully I get better temperatures, because yeah, the car was running really hot during the summertime, around 220 degrees, and yeah, it was only a matter of time before this plastic would break from so much heat. I thought it would give out somewhere else, but definitely gave out here. See, like this one's all nice, this whole piece right here, that's how this one's supposed to look, but broke off. Luckily it didn't get in the engine. Well, I hope it didn't get in the engine, but yeah. So let me just swap these things over really quick, and then I'll show you guys how thin this radiator really is. All right. Alright guys, well there it is. All the stuff is transferred. Just gotta tighten this one up a little bit more. And then, but yeah, here's how thick this one is. It's about my whole thumb can fit inside there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, my whole thumb. This plastic thing wasn't in there. Alright. That's, and then everything fits in there perfectly. It's a easy swap. But this one, damn, look at that. Not even my thumb can fit in there. That's how thin this thing is. And you wonder why Subarus get hot. And when they get hot, other things tend to might get messed up. So I would suggest this mod. One of the, at least after 60,000 miles, I should have done this. And, you know, swap them. Cause damn. So let me just put this in there and then reattach everything and get antifreeze in there and fill her up and then start the car up and then go for a drive and see how these temperatures look compared to that one. Like I said, on 100 degree weather, this thing was running at 220, 223. It was pretty up there. And then this one, we'll see. Yeah. But let me just put everything back together and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, install is completed. Look at that bad boy. That thing looks beautiful. Damn. This red really shines with the silver. This fit perfectly. I thought it wasn't gonna fit. I thought I was gonna have to get a different one. Temperatures right now, 194. Waiting for the fans to kick on, see if they kick on. I don't think it's gonna reach. I think it has to get to a temp 210 or something. Alright guys, well I think that completes this install video. Let me just go for a little drive and then see what the temperatures are. And hopefully this doesn't pop off again, which I think it won't. It didn't on the other one when I locked it back in place just to drive it home. But yeah, you seen how the other one looked. It was all broken, so that's why it came off. Piece of shit ass plastic. But anyways, yeah, this one is perfect because it's aluminum. Definitely not gonna break. But I'm glad that everything fit and everything was good. The only thing I had to do, as you can see in the video, I had to trim this part. I only trimmed very little amount and it fits perfectly. It clears everything back there. I don't think it's gonna hit at all. It's pretty far away, about an inch. So yeah, that's the only thing. Other than that, everything else fit. These brackets fit perfectly underneath. There was no issues trying to put it in. Slid right in. Yeah, but I was able to use this back. Yeah, so yeah, let me just drive it, take it for a run, and then I'll be back when I'm done. Alright guys, well now that driving the car for a couple minutes now, 21 minutes, and it seems to be doing good so far. Even on a hill, I think it reached temperatures of 217 with full AC blast with the AC full blast. And yeah, right now it's at 203 with full AC. Seems to be good. 50 miles an hour. Yeah, definitely worth it. Should have done it a long time ago, especially in this heat. To 108 to 108 right now. Like goddamn, freaking hot. It's going 205. So I don't know. I think it's helping. About 20 degrees, 15 degrees cooler. Staying 15 to 20 degrees cooler. Yeah, can't really do much with the 180 degree weather. I'm pretty sure once it hits like 90 degree weather, the temperatures are going to reach probably 180, 189, and before it'll be at 200. So yeah, definitely a sick upgrade, and it looks beautiful in the engine bay. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That does it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to check out more videos that I'll be posting in the future. So yeah, overall, easy installation and no problems. Just make sure all your hoses are tight and everything, and you burp the system, and you should be good. 202, 203, 201. Yeah, seems like it's good, especially going downhill. 50 miles an hour. Yeah. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right. Peace out.